We have withdrawn from the ICC, membership from the ICC, and that withdrawal is already in effect. Pero we have been very clear in our statements regarding this. If the ICC makes a move and courses the move through the Interpol, and the Interpol makes the request to us for the arrest or delivery of the custody of a person subject to ICC jurisdiction, we will respond favorably or positively to the Interpol request. Kasi nagbe-benefit din tayo sa Interpol in other cases. Hindi naman pwedeng sabihin na, oy, kumo ICC ang nag-request sa inyo to come to us, hindi na namin kayo papansinin. Kung tayo ang magre-request sa Interpol, hindi na rin tayo papansinin yan. Because that is committee, ang tawag doon eh. Committee. Pakikipagkaibigan, pakikipagmabuting... you know what that means, no? Okay.
Sir, ano po yung sinasabi niyang mga areas of cooperation na pwedeng gawin ng Philippines and ICC?
Well,
yun po ba yun?
Ganito yan, ano? Wala namang definite na o klaro na sinabi na magko-cooperate kaagad. Okay? I do not even know kung ano ang ibig sabihin ni Secretary Boying. But as far as experience has given to the government shows, yung request ng Interpol should always be respected. Because the Interpol is also doing a service in other areas similar to this. So, that's the meaning of committee. Oo. So,
sir, yung position po ng government, ng Philippine government or ni PBBM sa ICC is still the same?
Well, you see, yung position is, wala na tayo sa jurisdiction ng ICC. Pero that does not necessarily mean, because of what I just said, that does not necessarily mean that the order of the ICC enforced through the Interpol is to be ignored. I'm not saying na yung ICC ang inaano natin, yung Interpol ang pinagbibigyan natin.
Thank you po.